Hey everyone, welcome to this video. For the next few minutes, we are going to be going through an example of polynomial long division. So let's say we had x cubed minus 6x plus 20 as our dividend, divided by x minus 3 as our divisor. So what we're going to do is set up our division problem. We're going to start with our divisor, x minus 3, and then we are going to write our dividend. So x to the third, and then before we keep going, you might have noticed that in this polynomial, x to the third minus 6x plus 20, there's no x squared term, right? It's missing. They skipped over that, which is fine, but when we use polynomial long division, we need to account for that. So we're going to put in and just say that there are 0 x squareds, right? So that's just a little detail you need to remember if that happens in your problem. And then we can continue with the minus 6x plus 20. Okay, so we have our problem set up. I'm going to try to use colors to help us here. So the first thing that we need to do is think about multiplication, right, which is the opposite of division. So we need to think, so x times what will get us the x to the third, or x cubed. So hopefully you're thinking x times x squared will get us x cubed. Okay, so that is the first term in our quotient, right? So now we are going to take what we just found. So the next step, I always put a subtraction sign and parentheses. So you need to use multiplication now. So x times x squared, like we said earlier, gives us x to the third. So we multiplied the x squared that we found by the first term in our divisor. Now we need to multiply it by the second term in our divisor. So negative 3 times x squared should give us negative 3x squared. Okay, and now we're going to see if we do this subtraction, what we can cancel out. So x to the third minus x to the third, they go away. 0x squared minus negative 3x squared will give us a positive 3x squared. Okay, so we can put that there. We're going to copy down the minus 6x plus 20 since we haven't used that yet. All right, and our first step is done. Now I'm going to switch to another color. Okay, we'll go with blue. So next, we have to think, so x times what will get us 3x squared? Hopefully you're thinking x times positive 3x will get us the 3x squared. Okay, so now we need to, again, write our minus sign with parentheses, and we're going to multiply. So we have x times 3x will give us 3x squared. And lastly, negative 3 times 3x will give us negative 9x. And once again, we're going to calculate this difference and see what will cancel. So 3x squared minus 3x squared, they will go away. Negative 6x plus 9x, right, because minus negative will give us a net of 3x. And then once again, we're going to copy down our plus 20. And we are almost done. I'm going to switch to our third color. And once again, we have to think, x times what will get us to a 3x? Hopefully you're thinking x times 3 will give us a 3x. Okay, once again, we're going to put our minus sign, parentheses, and do some multiplication. So x times 3 gives us 3x. And lastly, negative 3 times positive 3 will give us a negative 9. We are going to come down and calculate our difference. 3x minus 3x, the x terms go away. And then 20 minus negative 9, or plus 9, will give us 29 as our remainder. Okay, so I'm going to zoom out so you can see, again, it's very step by step. So we've calculated the quotient. Now we just have to write our final answer. And I guess I'll go with orange for this. So if we took this, this quotient, our answer would be x squared plus 3x plus 3, which came right from the problem, right, that we just calculated. The only thing is we do have a remainder, so we have a remainder of 29. So the way that we write that is by saying 29 over the divisor, x minus 3. And that would all be your final answer to this polynomial long division problem.